In this session, I'll be explaining about the conversion operator. Conversion operator is used to convert a value to a data type specified on the go. In other words, it's a constructor that it converts to the type specified in the type. Earlier, for the conversion, we're using one helper variable. But with conversion operator, no need to use the helper variable. It does the purpose. What is the challenge before conversion operator? When you pass any variable to class method or function module, if there is a mismatch, above dump was happening. We should be very particular to identify what is the data type of the import parameter of function or export parameter of method or any import export. So we should be very careful about the signature and the data type that is expected out. With conversion operator, we no need to be worried about that. For example, this is see this example, this class code page and convert. This method expects a string. Suppose we have a character variable. What we are doing, we need to create another variable string, assign this character variable to the string, then we can pass this string variable because this method expects a string. Whereas with the release 7.4, we can use conversion operator, conv operator, and even you give this text character 100, the conversion operator takes care of converting as the variable left to it, the source, expect a string, so conversion operator understand it and convert lbtxt character to a string. So it's very useful when you're dealing with arguments with a type mismatch. So the number of lines of code definitely reduced. It also helps to read the code easily and helps in maintaining. So that's all about the requirement of conversion operator and the benefits. Thank you for watching.